Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
Hey, I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 26th of October. Got one more nice day today. Some changes coming up as we get close to the weekend. Going to turn noticeably cooler on Friday. We'll go to some of the Skycam shots, and I thought I'd start yesterday with a really nice sunset. That was the scene coming from the Coleman Skycam. Boy, that's a cloudless October sky. Gotta love it. And how about this one from Gulf Shores? Sun goes down there about 8 or 9 minutes after 6 o'clock, right during our 6 o'clock news. And this is the time of the year where the sun goes down over the Gulf. And it will do so for the next few months in the cool weather season. And this morning, there's a look at downtown Jasper as seen from the King Building with the Alpha Skycam there. All right, dry air in place today. One more nice day. Got a storm system developing off to the west. Got a snowstorm out there around Denver that will be dragging a cold front down this way late tomorrow night. Temperatures this morning, not too bad, mostly 40s. Birmingham and Coleman, the warm, well, actually, Haleyville, the warm spot at 53. They've got a little more wind up there. And Gadsden sitting at 39, so a big spread. Another reminder, this is not a one-number kind of place when you talk about morning lows. And around the nation, you can pick out that front very clearly from near Chicago down to Amarillo. Cold air behind that, producing, again, the snow back in Colorado. In fact, there's the watch warning map this morning, and we've got a winter storm warning out there. That's the counties in the purple shades. How about them apples? Out ahead of that, there's the radar coming out of Paducah, Kentucky. The closest rain to us along the front is north of us, from near Cape Girardeau back over toward Louisville, Kentucky. But again, we'll be dry today. Convective outlook, no severe weather expected, just the chance of some thunder along the front, all the way from Erie, Pennsylvania, down to Albuquerque. And low-end 5% probabilities are over Arkansas and southeast Missouri, where there will be a little surface-based instability later today. But certainly we don't expect any severe weather here tomorrow night, and probably no thunder. And not much rain. There's the rain for the next 5 days, and this is suggesting nothing. Basically, from Birmingham south, better rains north and west of here, and sure enough, the guidance is coming in awfully dry. The NAM is showing just 0.06 of an inch of rain with this feature, so don't expect a whole lot. All right, Rena, the hurricane, packing sustained winds of 110 miles per hour, drifting west at 5. It's been sitting there for days. And go accordingly with light steering currents, you wind up with a spaghetti plot like that. You figure that out. Obviously, the motion is going to be slow and erratic, but the one thing we're sure of, the intensities will be peaking here in the next 24 hours. Still should be a major hurricane, but then after that, it begins to weaken as it counters all kind of issues beyond that, including a lot of hostile winds aloft. Here's the official track, and again, I think that looks good. It comes up toward Cozumel and Cancun as a pretty formidable hurricane tomorrow night, and then hooks a right, a hard right, over the far southern Gulf, and then it weakens pretty steadily as it's south of Key West by Sunday night. Due to the harsh winds that will bring in that cool air down here this weekend. All right, let's check the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid at 7 o'clock local time this evening. And you can see the energy out there in the southwest. But again, a nice day today for us. High should be in the mid to upper 70s with a good supply of sunshine. Very nice. All right, tomorrow, and again, at one point, several days ago, the model had suggested maybe this big phased trough with a big severe weather threat. Not happening. The northern chunk is way far north of here. Energy coming through Texas. And there's your front. This is, again, tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock. Batch of showers moving in here. I think the day should be mostly dry tomorrow. But clouds will increase. Highs drop in the low 70s with the lack of sun. And tomorrow night, the chance of a few light showers. And then by Friday morning at 7 o'clock, it's fizzling out, just not much. So, Friday morning and you wake up, you might have a little light rain in spots, but probably not much. And Saturday starting off this is Friday evening at 7, showing the rain is pretty much out of here. So the sky should begin to clear for those high school football games. So, again, some light rain Friday morning. out of here Friday evening, and noticeably cooler. The GFS and the NAM are showing highs only in the low 60s, and with clouds and a north breeze, we might not even hit that. We might stay in the 50s all day, kind of a raw day. Now Saturday starting off the weekend, just gorgeous. Mid-60s after a low in the upper 30s, just beautiful fall weather. Same thing Sunday. We'll start the day in the 30s, probably upper 30s, mid to upper 30s. I say that now that the latest GFS is showing 37, which means some frost is likely and a freeze for the colder valleys. And again, mid-60s. Monday, Halloween. No tricks, just a treat. Gorgeous fall weather there. The GFS is showing 67, a cloudless sky. Tuesday looks gorgeous. And a week from today, strong wave coming down across the northern plains, and that will kind of usher a cold front in this direction. And then on the next day, that trough kind of evolves over the east. Cold front comes in here, but not much rain. But look at that cold 1,032 millibar high. That's cold looking. 540 line down to Nashville. Chance of snow down into Kentucky. But, you know, this is tornado season here, so we're fortunate to get away with no issues with a cold front coming through like that. We'll check the end of the forecast on the 10th of November. Pretty good-looking wave coming through there with a cold front. That might produce some thunderstorms. Deep surface low is up there east of Detroit. But you know what that is. It's out there in the land of voodoo. That will probably change. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you live around here, don't forget to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.